Hello, everyone! Welcome back to our fun English learning channel. Today, we are going to learn something super important in English grammar, English tenses. Yes, we will learn present tenses, past tenses, future tenses. And don't worry, this lesson is very easy, beginner-friendly, and full of simple examples. So grab your notebook, sit comfortably, and let's start learning English together. First, what is a tense? A tense tells us the time of an action. For example, I ate pizza. This happens now. I ate pizza. This happened before. I will eat pizza. This will happen later. See? Tenses help us understand time in English. There are three main tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense, and each tense has 4 types. Don't worry, we will learn step by step. Present simple tense. First is present simple tense. We use it for daily routines, habits, facts. Example: I eat breakfast every morning. Another example: she goes to school. The sun rises in the east. Easy, right? Structure: subject plus verb plus object. Like, they play football. Present continuous tense. Now let's learn present continuous tense. We use it for actions happening right now. Example: I am studying English. She is cooking dinner. They are playing outside. Look at the helping verbs: am, is, are. Structure: subject plus am /is /are plus verb ing. Example: he is sleeping. Can you say it? He is sleeping. Excellent. Next is present perfect tense. This talks about actions completed recently. Example: I have finished my homework. She has eaten lunch. They have gone home. Like, we have watched the movie. Present perfect continuous. This shows an action that started in the past and is still continuing. Example: I have been reading for 2 hours. She has been working all day. They have been playing since morning. Subject plus have has been plus verbing. Wonderful. Quick present tense quiz. Listen carefully. Question 1. I am eating. Is this A, present simple, or B, present continuous? Correct answer: B, present continuous. Question 2. She has finished her work. Which tense is this? Present perfect. Now let's travel to the past simple tense. We use it for completed actions in the past. Example: I visited my grandmother yesterday. She watched TV last night. They played cricket. Structure: subject plus past verb. Like, he walked to school. Next is past continuous tense. This shows an action happening at a specific time in the past. Example: I was sleeping at 10 p.m. She was reading a book. They were dancing. Structure: subject plus was/were plus verb ing. Now, past perfect tense. This talks about an action completed before another past action. Example: I had eaten before he arrived. She had left before the rain started. Structure: subject plus had plus past participle. And finally, past perfect continuous tense. This shows a continuous action before another past event. Example: I had been studying for 2 hours before dinner. They had been playing before it rained. Great job. Quiz time. She was cooking. Which tense is this? Past continuous. Next, they had finished the game. Which tense? Past perfect. Now let's talk about the future. Future simple tense. We use it for future actions. Example: I will travel tomorrow. She will call you later. They will play football. Structure: subject plus will plus verb. Next, Future continuous tense. This shows an action that will be happening in the future. Now, future perfect tense. This shows an action completed before a future time. Example, I will have finished my work by 6 p.m. She will have arrived before noon. Structure, subject plus will have plus past participle. And the last one, future perfect continuous tense. This shows how long an action will continue before a future moment. Example, I will have been studying for 3 hours by 9 p.m. They will have been traveling all day. Amazing work. Final quiz time. Question 1. I will eat dinner. Which tense? Pause. Future simple. Question 2. She is dancing. Pause. Present continuous. They played football. Past simple. Wow, you are learning English so well. Today we learned present tenses, past tenses, future tenses, and you did an amazing job. Practice these tenses every day to improve your English speaking skills. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next English lesson. Bye-bye, everyone.